Today we have Hot Wheels. We're going to have a big Hot Wheels race. And I'm going to talk about some science with these Hot Wheels. Okay? Look at what partners there are. Here are the partners. So, first up we have these two cars. Okay. Yeah, the green car definitely won. Sorry, car. Maybe yellow is not a lucky color for you. Next, we have these two. Okay, let's race. Ready, set, go! Oh my. Yeah, the car definitely won. The bus, not really. So, winner spot and loser spot. Next, these two cars. This is my 100th video with these. And we have a friend joining us. Hola.
Hola.
Okay, ready, set, go. Yeah, this car definitely won. Sorry, Ford. Loser.
But City Bus did win.
No, the city bus did not win.
But did this car win?
This is the winner spot, and this one is going in there. And this is the loser spot. So,
This is the winner spot.
yes, that's the
Wait,
winner.
no, my car is won.
Yes, your car won. I'm using his cars.
Yeah, but it's still mine.
Okay. Up next, we have these two. And I don't know who's going to win. I really don't. I am just ready, set, go. Flip. Yeah, the car definitely won. This car, not really. Okay.
I think this car win.
Loser spot, winner spot.
Oh, I was right.
Yes. Cars did not win. What was aerodynamics? It did not have look, for this car, look, this one actually has wind is gonna push right here, so it's gonna go back, and it was also pushing on the windshield, so obviously it's gonna go back. And these cars won because they had good aerodynamics. The wind actually went over them because of their design. So car design matters, and definitely in real racing. So this concludes our video. Do you understand why the cars won? Do you understand aerodynamics? If you don't, leave some comments.